Hello friends! Want to build a more professional and engaging marketplace with classified listing? In this video, I am going to show you how the store add-on works and why it's such a powerful feature for your website. With the store add-on, sellers get their own dedicated store page where all of their listings are beautifully organized in one place. There's also an all listing section that makes browsing easier and more seamless for visitors. But the real value comes with the single details page. Every product listed gets its own dedicated page where you can share your complete information. For example, if you are posting a car, you can describe its full specification, highlight the pricing, mention the condition, and even include the owner's contact information. This creates a more professional experience, builds trust with buyers, and makes your classified listing website stand out as a real marketplace solution. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, go to the plugins of your dashboard and add plugin. Click on upload plugin, and for choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Then click on install now. After installing, click on activate plugin. And here these are. We need to install the Classified Listing Pro and Classified Listing Store as well. Then go to the listings and store categories. This is the appearance of it. Provide a suitable name for this as car dealer and then save it. In this way, you can keep continuing to create more new category as well. Then go to the stores and on the top click on add new store. Here it is. Now provide an appropriate name. Then write a description about it. Next, go to the store information, adding store banner. You can select it as yourself. Choose and save it. For the store logo, select your required one to provide. In the next, for the opening hours, you can choose either open and selected hours or always open options. You will just need to customize the day and your preferred time. After opening hours, select the store owner as yourself. You can also add more than one characters. Then provide a catchword as slogan. For the store email address, provide the appropriate one. And then provide the store phone number as well as WhatsApp number, along with the store website address. And lastly, provide your store address. While done, select the categories on the right side of your hand, then click on Publish. In the next, click on this link, go to your website. Here it is. The slogan, description, and the opening hours, along with the address. Furthermore, you can even view other listings created by the same owner directly from here if they have more items available. And this is the information of the store owner. Now go back to the dashboard again and click on Appearance, then Menus. Here it is. Select a menu to edit as main menu and select this. After that, select the particular page where you want to add your menu items. Then click on Add Menu. In addition, you can drag the items into the order what you prefer. Then save menu. Now go to your page again, click on Stores, and here these are. You can preview all of your customization from here one by one. And in this way, you can use your store add-on in classified listing plugin. Thanks for watching this video.